Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automation Exercise. In previous video, we learned what is Apache JMeter and its features. Now we will download and install JMeter. The first step to have JMeter is that Java must be installed in our system because JMeter is built on Java and JMeter is a desktop application. So we need Java in our system to run JMeter application. This is the only prerequisite. Other than that, JMeter supports all operating systems. Now, second step is to check whether Java is successfully installed on your system or not. You can check through command java space hyphen version. If Java is installed, then you can go ahead to download JMeter. But if Java is not installed, then firstly we will download and install Java and then move ahead to JMeter. You can download and install the latest version of Java from link. I have shared this link in video description. You can download Java for Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Right now I'm using Windows, so we will go to the Windows tab. Download.exe file and JDK will be installed in a few minutes. After installation is finished, now we will see whether Java JDK is installed successfully or not. For that, I will open terminal and enter command java space hyphen version. So we see that Java version 19 is successfully installed. We can also check by executing one Java file. So I have this test.java file in which I have written simple Java program. So this is the simple Java program. We will check whether the testing will be typed or not. So we will go to terminal and run java space test.java. So testing is typed. So now Java is successfully installed. Now finally, to download JMeter, we will open the official website of Apache JMeter. You can find this link in description. Installation of JMeter is really simple. Here you see Apache JMeter 5.5 is the latest version and it requires Java 8 plus. In binaries section, you can download any of these two binaries. Let's download zip folder and wait for the zip folder to be downloaded. It will take few seconds. JMeter is downloaded. Let's extract it. It will take some time. Yeah, it is completed. The folder Apache JMeter 5.5 is downloaded successfully. In this folder, we have bin folder. So in bin, we have JMeter batch file. So here is the JMeter batch file. Double click on it. Apache JMeter GUI is opened. This is the GUI of JMeter. So that's it for now. In next video, we will understand the functionality of JMeter. Till then, download Java and JMeter in your system so that you will be ready with me for next video. Thank you so much.